Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the early notification of my latest video. Hello and welcome. In today's video we'll know about CSS transform property. This property when applied can rotate, skew and scale elements. This property can apply 2D or 3D transformation to the element, which allows to rotate, scale, move, skew, etc. to the elements. This works on CSS 3. In addition, animatable and JavaScript syntax can also be applied. It works on most of the browsers like Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Mozilla, Safari and Opera. There are so many property values that can be applied, such as none, initial, inherit, matrix for 2D transformation using 6 values, matrix 3D for 3D transformation using 16 values, translate XY for 2D translation, translate XYZ for 3D translation, translate X for values for X-axis only, translate Y using values for only Y-axis, translate Z for 3D translation using values for only Z-axis. Similarly, there can be transformation for scale, rotate, skew for 2D, 3D and XY, Z axis. In this following example, applying rotate transformation property, creating a rotating rectangle with 20-degree rotation. Applying the CSS property, in browser we can see 20-degree rotation. Thanks for watching. Share, subscribe and like.